Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to learn how to draw a person in a crouching, running action pose. So it's a charging, crouching pose, and there's a lot of foreshortening involved in this. So if you have your pencils all set, let's have some fun drawing this particular pose. So the frame itself is very important. As always, we put down a frame, and if you can just go that far, put in an arc coming like that. That's just a guideline of what to expect. And then we go across here, put in a delt, and that is the shoulder set right there. And this might be a little larger than this, or could be the same, but again, as we progress we will see how we place this. The collar structure is right here, neck, and then of course the head right here. Again, it will depend on what we're going to do with this and how we progress, and then we'll put down all the features as we go along. And so right here we have the first hand. Then I mentioned that there's some foreshortening, and well, the foreshortening is already showing in a way, because that hand is probably going to appear much smaller than this guy here, and that'll just do. And then the lower body, so depending on what we are going to do with it. But let's first put down the core structure. So actually that is the core structure. Now from here you could do so many different things. So here's extreme, magnifying right there with the foot right in the front, huge knee, and right there you could have the other foot going back. So I'm going to grab a pen as we explore this and all the wonderful things that we can do with this. So I've gone on and put the arm right there, and put in the back right there. So neck area here. Just okay. Now we have done that. So now we can do so many different things with this. You could make this into a fist. Popularly, that really works. Or you could also make this right here into an outstretched kind of hand right there. So again, or the hand could be raised. So many different things that you can do with this. And well, the leg. So in this particular pose, we have put the best foot, the best foot forward right there in that way. Then going backwards, you could just put in, and I brought it up a little bit. You could put in the foot like that, or you could bring it forward like that. Again, all different and awesome options, but you could also just put it right here and then go backward and put the foot there. So different things. With the arm on top, you could put it right here as we show it, or you could put him even further back and crunch him like that, or fling him like right back. Maybe he's like holding something, or outstretch it. Again, all different options if you have that framework in place. And of course the head itself, again, you could put the head right there looking at us here, or you could even have it look like that way. So different options with this particular pose, crouching action rushing pose. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.